Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Katie's Kitchen. For today, we're doing a build your own microwave mug cobbler. So, cobbler is one of my favorite desserts. For this one, you can use any kind of fruit you like in it, blueberries, strawberries, peaches. But today, we are going to do a blueberry cobbler. And it really only takes about 5 ingredients. You don't need any more tools than maybe a couple of spoons and measuring devices and bowls. So let's get started. All right. So for the first, all our ingredients, we're gonna need a half a cup of fruit, and we're doing blueberries, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, or use a sugar substitute if you need that. 1/4 cup of the original Bisquick mix, 1 tablespoon of old-fashioned oats, and 1 tablespoon of milk. So in a microwavable mug, this is going to be our mug, we're going to add the fruit. So 1/2 a cup of these blueberries. I actually did not rinse these yet, so blueberries rolling around. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to add my blueberries to the bowl that I will be using in the microwave. And with that, you want to add 1 tablespoon of the sugar. You will be using 2 altogether, but just 1 in this part. And if you use the packets, about 1.5 packets is a tablespoon. No. Yeah, 1.5 packets is a tablespoon. Putting my 1 tablespoon of sugar in there and mix that together. Okay. In my little small bowl, I'm going to mix my 1/3 of a cup. I'm sorry, my 1/4 of a cup of the Bisquick. Bisquick. My 1 tablespoon of sugar. My 1 tablespoon of oats. And then you put your milk in. And that's a tablespoon. So I'm just going to mix this up a little bit before I put the milk in to make sure that it all gets mixed evenly. Okay. 2 tablespoons, add my milk. And it says stir until you have a thick dough that forms. And you can add other ingredients to to this recipe, but this is the most basic form of it. If you like nuts, add those, cinnamon. You can do a little lemon juice, however you typically like your cobbler. I've always just like a blueberry cobbler. Now, I've got a thick dough, and it says to drop clumps of this over the fruit. And then if you want, you can just sprinkle a little bit of that sugar on top for crystallization, but not necessary. There's plenty in there. So after you've got your mixture ready, you'll microwave this uncovered on high for 90 seconds to 2 minutes. But you want to watch for the fruit to bubble to the top of the mug. Right, so I'm going to put this in for 90 seconds. Put my things in the sink. Put my remaining ingredients away. Wipe it down. And I've already cleaned up from my blueberry cobbler. So just 12 seconds. About 30 more seconds. I think the full 2 minutes on this one. But after it is done, it says to serve it with whipped cream or ice cream if you desire, and to enjoy. I don't have any ice cream right now, but I think we can still enjoy a little blueberry cobbler with that. So this is hot, so be careful with that. It says to wait about 5 minutes before serving. Let me see if I can show you how this turned out. So here's my blueberry cobbler. A little vanilla ice cream would be very good with this. But it is also morning, so I'm not going to have ice cream for breakfast. Still a little hot, so I'll try it later on, but I hope you get a chance to try this and join us for the next one. Have a good day.